Welcome to Pip Insight. Friday the 3rd of July, New York pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 5 showing bullish structure and 2 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's New York pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure: gold dollar, euro dollar, pound dollar, Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar. Pairs showing bearish structure: dollar yen, dollar Swiss. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you're here for the gold segment, you're in the right place, and there's plenty to dig into this morning. Gold is coming into the New York session sitting at $4,188, and the overall bias is firmly bullish. The 4-hour structure has been remarkably clean. A sharp recovery from the $3,973 swing low has produced a textbook sequence of higher lows and higher highs, with price slicing through $4,100 and $4,150 before a powerful late Thursday surge drove gold all the way up to $4,208. Both the 4-hour EMA20 and EMA50 are rising and well below current price, confirming the momentum behind this move. That said, RSI on the 4-hour is now pushing into overbought territory at nearly 72, so this is an extended market, worth keeping in mind. Since that spike high, price has been grinding sideways in a tight band between roughly $4,188 and $4,199, essentially digesting those gains ahead of the open. On the fundamental side, there are no high-impact US data releases on the calendar today, which means gold will likely take its cues from dollar sentiment and broader risk appetite heading into what's expected to be a quieter, lower liquidity session. The levels to watch into this session are clear. $4,208 to $4,215 is the resistance zone overhead, while $4,155 to $4,165 remains the key support area on any meaningful pullback. Euro dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.1465 and 1.1478. Support is marked between 1.142 and 1.1434. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 1.338 and 1.33855. Support is marked between 1.3335 and 1.334. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Yen. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside. Resistance is marked between 161.45 and 161.55. Support is marked between 160.46 and 160.62. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing clearly defined bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.8045 and 0.8056. Support is marked between 0.801 and 0.8016. Here is the full chart breakdown. Aussie dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.695 and 0.6954. Support is marked between 0.6918 and 0.6923. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.5728 and 0.5742. Support is marked between 0.5691 and 0.5705. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the New York pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.